How to install fingerprint lock. All the accessories. Install the latches. Install the screws. Install the screws. Roll out and turn the tailpiece. Left opening door direction. Roll out and turn the tailpiece. Right opening direction. Install front handles. Wire through that round hole. Attention, keep the deadbolt unlocked. Install battery compartment. Install the screws. Connect connector. Install after handles. Install the screws. Install back door lever. Install the screws. Install decorative cover. Install the AA battery. Install the box lid. Install the screws. Installation is complete.